Munnar 102 finally.
Hey all, welcome back to our channel Bong Bish. So इस बार फिर हम जा रहे हैं मुन्नार, which is our one of the favorite locations. ये एक प्यारा सा गांव है येल्लापट्टी, हम वहाँ जा रहे हैं. So lately we have not been traveling because Shayan's mom is not well, and I wish she recovers soon so that she can join us. So today me, Papa and Shayan are going, and we are very excited for this trip because after a very heavy 3 months in fact, we are going finally to a trip. Touchwood. I am very happy for Shayan because he really wanted to go somewhere. Let's go. So we are leaving at 12 a.m. at the night. 12 and now घंटे 59 मिनट्स की जर्नी है जो कि काफ़ी लंबी है. इसमें हम 2-3 हॉल्स तो लेंगे. सो ये विंडमिल के पास जा रहे हैं, एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग इन साउथ, और ये बहुत ही फैसिनेटिंग लगता है क्योंकि ये इतने ह्यूज हैं. इट्स 6 o'clock और हमने 1 घंटा सोया है रोड साइड पे लगा के. शायन इज़ वेरी स्लीपी, एवरीवन इज स्लीपी, एंड विद दिस हम सालेम में हैं और यहाँ पर हमें प्यारे से माउंटेन्स दिख रहे हैं. सो आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग नाइट जिसमें हम 2 घंटे सोए हैं और बाकी टाइम ट्रैवल किया है, हम अब सुबह हो चुकी है और हम निकल चुके हैं मुन्नार की तरफ फिर से. सुबह हम काफ़ी सोए थे एंड इट वाज अ गुड स्लीप. अभी हमारी थोड़ी नींद खुली है एंड इट्स 5 hours 36 minutes लेफ्ट. सो अभी तक हाफ पे भी कवर नहीं हुआ है और रात को 12 बजे निकले थे. गुड लक टू अस. अब हम पहुँचते हैं वेन्यू पे और आपको बताते हैं कैसा है. इंटरनेशनल माउंटेन डे मनाता हुआ आज वो पाजी लग रहा है.
पाजी नहीं, बंगाली होगा. बंगाली प्राउड बंगाली. मुन्नार 102 फाइनली.
मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट राइट टर्न ले रहे हैं टू मुन्नार क्योंकि सारे पहाड़ हमें राइट साइड दिख रहे थे. फाइनली हम राइट साइड मुड़ रहे हैं मुन्नार के लिए. वी जस्ट स्टार्टेड क्लाइंबिंग मुन्नार माउंटेन्स और ये बिल्कुल बंजर लग रहा है अभी फिलहाल.
So this is Anaryankal Dam, quite close to Munnar. अगर आप सलेम उस वाले रूट से आते हो towards Munnar, then you'll find it just before the Gap Road. Very beautiful, lush green tea plantations, a lake, and beautiful mountains in the backdrop. Amazing place. You must check this out. There's boating also happening here. If you see there are beautiful cows grazing in the sun. What an amazing place to graze. Lucky cows. So this is the famous Gap Road जो आपने काफ़ी सारे रील्स में एंड वीडियो व्लॉग्स में देखा होगा. ऑब्वियसली ड्रोन होता तो और भी मज़ा आ जाता, पर राइट साइड को है ये ब्यूटीफुल माउंटेन्स एंड देन दिस रोड विच इज़ इन इमैक्युलेट कंडीशन. क्या सुंदर रोड है, लाइक एक गड्ढा नहीं, कुछ नहीं, वेल डिमार्केटेड, ब्यूटीफुल रोड. एंड एब्सोल्युटली अब मुझे पता चला इस रोड का इतना क्या क्रेज़ है. लेट्स ड्राइव थ्रू इट एंड सी. वाइंडिंग रोड्स ऑफ मुन्नार, क्या मजेदार, जबरदस्त. बस भगवान बारिश करा दे, है ना.
तथास्तु.
अभी हम लेक के उस साइड थे, यहाँ कहीं पे थे जब पहला वीडियो लिया था, और अब हम गैप रोड होके इस साइड आ चुके हैं. बहुत ही सुंदर है ये डैम या लेक. जूम करके दिखाता हूँ. ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत ही मज़ा आया गैप रोड में आके और आपको बिल्कुल आना चाहिए. ये है हम तीनों का व्यू. Babi, Shiv and Baba in Munnar. So we have come to this place, Devonshire Greens, and we are having meals because it's just 12 noon and other food is not ready. So we have ordered veg meal for Shivi, that's for 170.
I'm surprised, this is very yummy.
And this looks very yummy and it's unlimited. I have also taken the meals, but mine is chicken, so I have tuna, and Baba has taken curd rice. And he's having some hot water, and he doesn't speak too much.
सो ये शायन रेडी हो रहा है ट्रैक करने के लिए। तो ये है हमारा फेवरेट विलेज येल्लापट्टी, और वो जो बड़ा सा माउंटेन है उसके नीचे वाली तरफ है हमारी कैंपिंग। सो दैट्स व्हाट आई गॉट टू नो। शायन ही इज गेटिंग लीच रेडी ताकि लीचेस ना पकड़े उसे।
हमने गाड़ी यहाँ पे पार्क कर दी है और वी आर जस्ट प्रिपेयरिंग आवरसेल्व्स। आई जस्ट वोर माई शूज़, देयर इट इज़, एंड नाउ डैड इज़ वेयरिंग हिज शूज़। यहाँ से हम ट्रैक चालू करेंगे थ्रू दिस विलेज एंड गो ऑल द वे देयर, एंड लेट्स सी कैसा रहता है ट्रैक। बट आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड। वेदर थोड़ा सा क्लाउडी हो जाए तो बेटर है, बट शाम से आई थिंक इट्स गोना गेट रियली कोल्ड। अभी इट्स 24 degrees, but the sun rays are quite harsh, and this village is quite beautiful. So this is the place where you park your car, and it's the common place for Wild Shepas, Cloud Farm, as well as Camp Footprint, and then your respective guides will come and take you for the trek. And as I said, we have parked our car here. On the left side of this you see the beautiful village of Yellapatti, and it's absolutely gorgeous, and this is my favorite village. And if you haven't seen our previous video of Yellapatti, I'll leave the link here. Do watch it. So now we are having some Maggi just before the start of our trek. We also got some bottles of water, and Shivani is also having tea, and I guess we are ready to trek. So we are all set to start our trek to Camp Footprint. We reached 2:30 p.m. We were on time, but the Camp Footprint guys are still not here, and it's 3:12. Kind of frustrating, 45 minutes, because I'm worried if Dad can do it quickly. So we needed more time to reach Camp Footprint so that he can do it slowly. So let's see. But from our end, we are ready. I'm really excited. We're gonna climb that mountain which you see behind us, behind me. Not this one, but the one right behind. The one behind this mountain. And here's Shivani. Are you excited?
Yes, we are in Yellapatti yet another again.
For the third time.
Yet again for the third time, because this is one of our favorite place. हमें ये जगह इतनी पसंद है कि शायद ने यहाँ पर एक कैंप ढूंढ निकाला है, और हम अभी चल के जाने वाले हैं। और हमारा गाइड 1 घंटे लेट है। हम 1 घंटे से वेट कर रहे हैं और मैं बहुत परेशान हो गई हूँ।
So here is.
So let me introduce you to our guide, Arjun. Hi, Arjun.
That's Arjun who's gonna take us.
to the place.
Arjun told us that this is South India's third highest peak, which is called Misa Pulimala, and that makes it all the more exciting. That's my dad who's kind of leading, and better he takes it slow. Arjun is from this particular village. He's gonna guide us, and looks like a really lovely guy. Get this old man killing it so far. So proud of you, Dad. He chappal mein trek kar rahi hai, in spite of telling me so many times to get shoes.
Because I feel hot.
That's Dad, Shivani, and Arjun.
बड़ा ही प्लेजेंट ट्रैक है। मुझे तो लगा जंगल से बीच से जाना पड़ेगा, बट क्या पता जाना पड़ जाए।
So finally we have started our walk towards Camp Footprint, and I can't express how happy I am for making this trip. Obviously I miss Mom, and this is our first trip, as I said previously in the video, after she got detected with cancer. But she really wanted us to come for this trip and have some time outside so that our normal life goes on. And I feel it's a very strange situation. She also wants us to go out, have a normal life, but at the same time we cannot. So, but I'm glad that we did this. And traveling after so many days is like peaceful. I cannot express the feeling. So we have already walked quite a lot. So we started from there somewhere, and now we have come all the way down to the village. You can see farming happening. So Arjun was telling us it's generally cabbages, potato, cauliflower, and beetroot. Yeah, so that's what they are growing. Danda nikal liya hai, and he's all set like Bear Grylls.
पापा हिम्मत हारते हुए पापा ने हिम्मत हार ली।
For the bag from Dad so that he can enjoy, and hopefully he can complete it so that he has beautiful memories. The jungle, Dad is getting really tired, so that's a bit worrying thing, but I've asked him to walk really slow. He was kind of rushing himself. How are you feeling? Not really fine. He's very tired. I'm sorry. Our senior citizen is taking a break, refreshing himself. The shade and open into this beautiful view.
मैं कह रही हूँ कभी भी लेपर्ड आता है ना हमेशा साइलेंट एंड रिलैक्स्ड. If bison comes, what we do?
So that way you go to Cloud Farm for 2 kilometers, and this way 500 meters is Wild Sherpa.
हाँ. हाय, मैं हूँ तमिलनाडु में और मैं आ गई केरला में.
So Arjun is in Tamil Nadu, Shivani is in Kerala. Now both are in Tamil Nadu. So we just walked from one state to another.
Don't panic, okay? Just drink this water, bad blood only.
They drink the bad blood, you'll become beautiful.
Can you check me? शाइन इधर आ, चेक कर.
नहीं है.
मैं बहुत देर से फील तो कर ही रही थी कि कुछ अजीब सा हो रहा है.
नहीं है. यार ड्राई में लीच कहाँ होगा?
Should I wear shoes?
There's no leech, बाबा.
अभी लीच निकाला है उसने. ये देख. मेरे शूज निकालना बाबू.
अर्जुन ने अभी लीच निकाला. एंड शिवानी कैसा लगा?
छी, I hate it. मेरे जूते लाना, मैं जूते पहन रही हूँ.
पापा खाना खाओ, एनर्जी लो, and then we hike again. Our जीवन as well, ना? All good. This is an experience. It's taking us to the path of Wild Sherpa. This is really wild. Oh my god. Crazy. This is crazy. Oh. Look at this. And that's Wild Sherpa there. We are supposed to stay there.
That's the camping area.
Oh, nice.
That's the funding area. More than the camps that the fire camp.
Okay, that's Kolokumalai. This one, A-frame.
Misa Pulimala.
Misa Pulimala. Last stretch. Dad's gonna do it. I know. It's the last stretch. So Arjun has taken one bag. So sweet of him. This is the last section. Quite steep. So that's our morning sunrise point where we'll hike tomorrow. So Dad has done the Charai section. Now he's descending. And he was expressing interest for morning hike, but we said no. Footprint. Morning you can see deers?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Such beautiful blue flowers all the way along the trek.
हमें 1-2 किलोमीटर बोल के हमें ऑलमोस्ट 6 किलोमीटर चला दिया इस अर्जुन ने. झूठा है एक नंबर का. और ये शायन मुखर्जी, इसने भी हमसे झूठ बोला. पर खैर छोड़ो, एक्सपीरियंस इतना अच्छा था ना. I enjoyed my trek thoroughly.
So we made it to the camp and look at this place. This is so beautiful. Dad also made it. I'm so happy. He'll have memories. We have done our 6 kilometers of trekking. Papa did it. He's the oldest person to reach this camp as per Arjun. So 58-60 was the oldest anyone came. Dad is 71. Super proud of him. We made it through and look at this entrance. Kick ass. And that's our camp and stay for tonight. Look at this amazing place. Surrounded by nature, deer, birds, everything. All the highest peaks. So beautiful. So beautiful. I can't express. Cameras can't justify this.
The room is pretty spacious. It can accommodate 3 people. They've also put an extra mattress for our dad, so that he can sleep here. And also there is a lot of space here, a sitting area. So also we got a little cute corner here. We can sit here and enjoy the nature. I am really expecting a tea right now here because it's so beautiful.
This corner is really beautiful, and that red flowers outside, that's kind of adding to the backdrop. Really cute corner. There's a small kitchenette area, like nothing to cook, but like glasses and all of it. The washroom in the middle of the jungle, you can't expect anything better than this. You have 2 sinks here, a western toilet, a separate shower area, ample light coming in from the glass section where you can see the mountains and everything. So all in all, a thumbs up to the washroom also. And as we said, this is the entrance area. We have a large big bed. There's also a separate mattress because we have 3 occupying one place. And this area is my favorite, like the corner. You can also take off those curtains and then have entire front 180-degree view of the mountains. So the sun sets behind us, but the sun rises that side, so we should have a brilliant sunrise from the room also.
हाय ऑल, मैं बोल रही हूँ कैंप फुटप्रिंट से और मैं बताऊंगी ये इसका नाम कैंप फुटप्रिंट क्यों है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हेन आई मेट द पीपल हियर जो यहाँ रहते हैं, दोज हु टेक केयर ऑफ दिस प्लेस, दे टोल्ड अस कि इन्होंने मल्टीपल टाइम्स टाइगर स्पॉटिंग की है इस प्रॉपर्टी में. सो दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई मे बी दे हैव केप्ट द नेम ऑफ दिस प्लेस एज कैंप फुटप्रिंट. Can you tell me where was the tiger spotted exactly? There, right? There. Once here. So this place is very amazing. You never know what you might encounter here.
Actually, a lot of langurs if you see in the trees.
And that's the peak. That's the top of the mountain. So I'm so excited being here. And this little kitten has been such a good friend to Cheyenne. She's playing with Cheyenne. She really likes Cheyenne, I guess.
So खाना आएगा रात के 8:30 बजे. बारबेक्यू एंड ऑल. दिस इज़ द किचन एरिया एंड शिवानी बना रही है मैगी ताकि हमें भूख ना लगे ज़्यादा. We got a very good deal basically. So generally it's 14-15K per night for 3 people in one of these A-frame cabins. But I somehow sensed that it might be empty, so I said, can we do it 18K for 2 nights, which is like dirt cheap. But that's a special rate. I mean, don't go by that. Yeah. The cabin is okay. Because it is so remote that I think it's very difficult to maintain it. But then when you pay such a price, you probably expect it to be maintained in a slightly better condition in terms of cleanliness at least. So yeah, that's something for them to take care of. Especially the price. If the price was lower, then I wouldn't mind it. The other thing is there's no internet, there's no network coverage. So that's something for you to keep in mind because you'll be completely out of grid. So as my mom's not well, so that's something kind of not okay with me. But at least at the dining area there's internet and Wi-Fi and network coverage, so that's okay. Again, the internet could be provided. I think if the internet is there in the dining area, it should also be there for the guests because they're the ones who are paying for it. So it's kind of weird that there's no internet. It's okay. I mean, if you want to come here to disconnect and all of that, then that's great. But in some cases, maybe the guests prefer to have internet, so that should be good. So as I said, again the same format for here also. You come, trek, reach, stay overnight, have food, complimentary food. Food options could be better, but again it's very remote. Like I saw the villagers bringing the ration and the LPG cylinder on their head along this route, which we found it difficult. So it's quite challenging to bring things up here. And then the next morning you do the hike, have breakfast and check out and then go back. So that's the thing. But we are staying for 2 nights because we drove so long. So we thought we'll take it slow. And it's very, very beautiful, very, very peaceful. It's in the month of April that we have come here. First week of April, or the last week of March actually. It's the long weekend of Eid. So people who are watching it from India and others and elsewhere, happy Eid to everyone. What else? There's no electricity here. It runs completely on solar. So the evening electricity is from 6:30 to 9:30 p.m. So you got to charge all your devices before that if you want to. And they give you a pretty like strong torchlight in terms of its intensity, and that's what you got to use to go to the washroom and all. Washroom is inside the cabin, so that's not a problem. Yeah, so those are some of the basic things. Overall quite satisfied, but as I said, cleanliness could have been better, maintenance could have been better, and overall there's a lot of potential. But I love this place. Yeah, just that the price and the cleanliness and the maintenance was not quite in sync. But these two guys, the guy called Arjun who hiked up along with us, like the guide, and Ajish who stays here and cook food for us, very sweet guy, lots of stories and very fun and jovial guy. And I think we have reached. Oh.